Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the LittleCrazy EA for MT5, an automated trading system available on the MQL5 Marketplace page. Now, starting here on the products page, we can see that this is an MT5 expert advisor developed by Pavel Udovichenko. The current version is 3.5.7, updated on January 12th, 2026. And it is listed at a purchase price of 487 US dollars. Now, looking through the description, the developer is very direct about the nature of this EA. LittleCrazy EA is described as a fully automated trading system with an extremely aggressive risk profile. According to the information provided, it uses a mean reversion strategy and operates on 3 correlated currency pairs, which are AUDCAD, AUDNZD, and NZDCAD. The marketplace page also outlines the recommended operating conditions. The suggested time frame is M15. The minimum deposit is $200. Leverage of up to 1:500 or higher is recommended. And the developer suggests using a VPS to keep the EA running continuously. The recommended account type is hedging account. The setup instructions are quite detailed as well. The developer explains multiple launch methods, including running the EA with default settings on a single chart or launching it across the 3 recommended currency pairs with an adjusted symbol configuration. There is also a requirement to allow the terminal to receive additional market information from the developer's analytical server. Now, moving down to the settings section, one thing that stands out is that the developer specifically states that the EA is designed as a plug and play system. All right. And it does not provide adjustable parameters that affects its trading logic. Now, most of the available settings focus on operational control rather than strategy customization. For example, traders can define which symbols the EA manages, customize trade comments, enable or disable new position opening, and choose whether the EA should load additional analytical information from the developer's server. There are also emergency management controls. The emergency closing options allow the EA to switch into a mode focused on exiting the market rather than seeking new opportunities. Depending on the selected emergency mode, the EA can either stop opening all new trades entirely or limit activity to existing trade series. Another available option is the virtual take profit setting, which the developer suggests may be useful under certain broker conditions. Now, let us move over to the historical backtesting section. One thing I appreciate here is that the developer provides both profitability expectations and drawdown expectations directly on the product page. The historical testing information references estimated annual returns as well as the possibility of extremely large drawdowns, including the potential loss of the entire account. All right, now let's just briefly look at some of the provided information here. We are seeing period 2017 to 2025. Average annual growth was 200%, maximum drawdown 87%. Wow, that is actually much. 87% drawdown is crazy. Well, the name of the EA is LittleCrazy. Not surprised. Anyways, average annual growth for this second backtest data shows us 220%, maximum drawdown 88%, maximum leverage 1.567. Here again, we can see that the EA seems to have performed well. All right. but I can see an extremely large drawdown here, 97.77% drawdown. Wow. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA performed in 2026. So we're testing the LittleCrazy EA on AUDCAD on the M15 time frame, and we are running the backtest from the beginning of this year till date. All right. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling, and from the backtest results, well, I'm not surprised because you can see that eventually the EA recorded a massive drawdown that almost blew the account. So here from our backtesting, I'm also seeing that the EA from an initial deposit of $100,000, net profit was negative 92,347.42. I feel like this EA has a poor risk to reward ratio, but we are going to get there. The profit factor was just 0.05. The total trades taken were 18, but out of that 18, only 4 were profitable with a 22.22% win rate. Now let's look at the average profit, 1,166.64, and the average loss was 6,929.57. I guessed right. The average risk to reward ratio is poor, but that's not even the only thing. We have the EA has a bad risk to reward ratio, and it also has a bad win rate. So when you put two of them side by side, well, it's not exactly surprising to see a 92% drawdown, 92% decline in the balance. Well, it's not exactly surprising with this kind of, win rate and risk to reward ratio. So as we review the completed historical backtest results and chart activity, it is important to remember that context in mind. The developer clearly positions this as a high-risk system, so the historical analysis should be viewed through that lens. Looking at the chart history, we can observe how the EA behaved during the tested periods, but without making assumptions beyond the information provided. The marketplace description confirms the system uses a mean reversion approach on the specified correlated currency pairs, and the historical testing allows us to evaluate how that approach performed under past market conditions. Now, I'm still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. The more historical data you review, the better your understanding of both opportunity and risk. So when evaluating the historical testing performance, remember that results can vary depending on risk settings, position sizing, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization. Historical backtest results should always be treated as historical analysis and not as a guarantee of future performance. Okay, so overall, the LittleCrazy EA MT5 is positioned as a highly aggressive automated trading system for traders who fully understand the risks involved. The developer emphasizes simplicity through its plug-and-play design, while also being transparent about the potential for substantial drawdowns. As always, perform your own testing and evaluation before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next review.